How to archive Instagram Reels. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to archive Instagram Reels. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply open up Instagram app and you'll get right here. So we can post Reels on Instagram, and we know that we can archive and unarchive our post on Instagram really easily. But sometimes we face an issue archiving the Reels. So how to simply archive them? You will open up your profile first and you have to select the reel that you actually want to archive. So if you go to your reels right here, so it will open it up. Now this is one of the reels that I added to my Instagram. Now you will find these three dots right here at the end, and I'm gonna click on this. So you can see we do not have any archive option. So in order to archive, what you can do is sometimes if you update your Instagram, it will actually show you the option on your reel. You just click on these three dots and it will give you an option which says remove from profile grid. So once you select that option, it will actually remove your reel from your profile right here. And once it's removed from your profile, that means it's archived and it will be found on your profile. You will be able to find it under archived. So you can just, go ahead and do that. That will actually help you archive your reels. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.